Horridge house was built in 1859. It changed hands a few times and eventually was sold to Elizabeth Horridge in 1869. Her first husband died in 1861. George and Elizabeth were married in 1863. When George came to Iowa, he started at the hardware store as a tinsmith and eventually took over running the store. He was also the president of the Farmers Loan and Trust and part owner of the flour mill and creamery. He was also on the city council and school board. They had a winter home in Louisiana where Elizabeth became ill and died April 13, 1900. Her body was brought back to the Horridge house and her funeral was held inside the home. In 1901, George married Carrie Smith. She remodeled the home and added rooms, including a garage for her electric car. She loved to travel all over the country and overseas. They brought back a French pier mirror and had a bas-relief marble from Italy set into the fireplace that still remains today. George died in 1931 at 97 years old of heart disease. Carrie died in the hospital in 1949. She was 85 years old.
How about 1800s? Do you like music from the 1800s? Maybe late 1800s? 1900s?
Are you gonna stay in here for a bit?
I'm gonna play them some music, and I decided in here because this is where all the music stuff is.
Yeah.
Hello? Knock knock!
Teresa.
Was that you?
Huh?
Did you just knock?
No, I heard something.
I heard 2 soft knocks.
I did too.
I didn't hear
Almost like, or even like a footstep, like a.
I didn't hear
No,
nothing.
it was
I didn't
literally,
hear anything.
it was literally,
I did hear 2 knocks.
yep, it was 2 knocks.
Right after you did it.
Yep. Very faint.
It was faint, but I did.
Is someone knocking? Is there something else you'd like? I have cards or dice. I have a cigar. Did you need something to drink? Are you thirsty? What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it sounded like it was your couch thing.
Yeah.
What did my couch thing do? Was it that?
No.
See it? Did it again.
Yeah, that was a
That's
different
coming
sound.
from out there.
Oh, really? I heard it down there.
I heard it in here too. Well,
It's not in this room.
No.
Whatever that sound is.
that was not my couch. I'm not even moving.
You got your S box on?
Yeah.
Wanna try it?
Sure.
Did you have any pets? Any animals?
That was a lady.
Is there anyone upstairs?
Did you say I think we should go up there?
Something like that.
I swear the lady said I think we should go up there.
Yeah, something about that. Oh, we could go up there and try.
Okay, we'll go up there.
Thank you for talking with us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Come follow us upstairs.
Man, you guys got all kinds of stuff in here.
You want to try the Estes?
Sure.
Talk to Teresa. Go through Teresa.
Can you tell us your name?
Who's asking?
My name's Jill.
My name's Alex.
I'm Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Do you stay here or are you just passing through?
Just passing through.
From where? Where are you from?
Here just because. Hi, sir.
Hi.
That was a girl. Who are we talking to now? Can you tell me your name? Tina.
Hi, Tina. How old are you?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am.
I'm well.
Well, that's good.
Talk about stuff.
What would you like to talk about?
Talk. Horses.
You want to talk about horses? Jill knows a lot about horses.
I do. Did you ride a lot?
Nope.
We're still talking.
Am I here?
Yes, you are here. You're talking to us, right?
Can you see me now?
No, where are you?
Maybe.
Is it Christmas?
No, a couple months.
Are you sure?
Yes, there's no snow on the ground.
I'm not mean, you know.
I didn't think you were mean.
I'm not. I like kites. Blue ones.
Where would you fly your kite?
I fly them with friends. Do you have one?
I don't have a kite, I'm sorry.
He does.
I do not. I'm sorry.
Can you tell me how old you are?
Whoa, that was a really southern drawl. Said I'm Chad.
Oh, hi, Chad. Where are y'all from?
I'm from the west. Way.
Way west.
You want to eat something?
I don't know, what do you want to eat?
Who are you?
Jill and Alex. Teresa.
Who's she?
The
Looks
person-
like Liz.
The person sitting in the chair is Teresa, and the person looking through the window over there is Jill.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pretty positive.
Sounded like it said happens to be her.
What did she say?
It said, "Who's she?"
Yeah, I heard that.
And then she said, it said, "Looks like Liz,"
Yeah.
or something like that. And I said, "No, that's Jill and Teresa." And I said, "Are you sure?"
Who's she?
Again?
She's someone.
Person sitting in the chair is Teresa. Person standing in the doorway is Jill.
I have goosebumps all in my legs right now.
I had it earlier when she said, "Can you see me now?" And I can't say it was something paranormal, but right after it said that, I got goosebumps everywhere, and then I saw something kind of move in the
She
light.
looks pretty.
So, like, if you come over here, you see the orange light on the two doorways.
Mm-hmm.
I saw like a shadow pass through those when she said, "Can you see me?"
Yeah.
And then right before that, I got a bunch of chills on
What's
My
her
mom.
name?
time.
By Maddie.
Whoa.
My
This
name's
is-
Jill. And I have really good goosebumps right now.
I'm starting to get them on my left
Yeah.
arm, closer to you.
I was getting a lot of electrical stuff when I was standing over there before I walked over.
Yeah, I'm starting to get them everywhere now too.
It says it.
And it's getting cooler.
Yeah. Who's with us now? Who just came in the room? Oh my god, I have intense goosebumps on
Mhm.
my legs now.
Yep.
Who's in here with us?
And not just like receded as quick as it came.
Mm-hmm. It's not as bad.
Can I touch her hand?
Sure.
Yeah, absolutely.
She's Liz.
Tap her out.
Disregard.
So, pretty sure some of the people here think one of you two is like Elizabeth.
They're shouting.
I
Could
did
you
have-
hear it? I had it
Yeah.
turned up really loud.
Yeah, I did
Yeah.
hear.
Could you hear
I
the
did
voices
hear
shouting at me?
voices, yeah.
It was so loud. They weren't just
Um,
like little voices.
The whole time we were in here, I did did feel like not really somebody touching me, but like static.
It feels colder in here.
It is colder in here. That's why, like, look.
Yeah.
No, it feels colder now than when we came in here.
You probably can't see it, but I feel the
Like,
goosebumps like on my leg.
No, does it feel like colder than when we came in here?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
we've been feeling the temperature drop the whole time we've been sitting.
I don't know. That guy, I wish you could have heard that. That was a very southern. I did hear a kid's voice though. The kite thing.
Oh, was
Was
wasn't
that
a
a kid?
kid?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
That was crazy. They had a lot of stuff to say.
You want to change the tapes and go downstairs?
yeah. We should go over to the depot.
Yeah.
Never know what the train station might do.
Never know.
That might be where they're all at.
The depot was completed in the year 1900. It was 132 feet long and 28 feet wide, made of stone, brick, and white oak woodwork. There are many artifacts inside the depot that depict some times long ago. Men and women were separated and each had their own waiting area, even if traveling together. On the depot's porch, there is a small shed with inscriptions etched from the hobos who traveled through. The symbols would communicate where to sleep, find food, and areas of danger.
Hello. The door was open, so we came in. Is there any gentlemen in this room? Can I come in your room? I know I'm a girl, but can I come in there? I'm coming in.
Is there any gentlemen in here? Is that okay if these us women are in here? Who's in the portal? What's the conductor's name?
It did? It's the first time, huh?
Is there somebody by Alex?
Could have been.
I thought it was a bug, but then like once I stood up, it immediately stopped, and there's nothing down there.
Yeah.
So there's definitely something came up and just tickled my ankle. It's just a bunch of energy down here.
Maybe they don't want us in here, Jill. Let's go back to the house and see.
You never know when their heat up time is either. You just never know. Jill.
Do you know?
Bye. See you
Bye.
later, alligator.
How about in here in the music room? What's going on in here?
Yeah, we haven't hung out in here.
Get the thing for Estes. We'll try it in this room too. You want to come in this piano room and talk to us?
A bunch of people said the parlor was active. All right, you guys. You got something to say? Hi, kids.
Hey, how are you? Who are we talking with?
I'm getting old.
Did you have a...
Are you in this room?
Yes, we are in this room. Trying to talk to you. Get ready.
Do you have a brother?
I do have 2 brothers, actually. How about you?
Was he in the war?
No.
Is he dead?
No. He's still alive.
Is it evening? I think it said something about evening. Are you alive?
I am.
I'm 70.
I'm 53. And
That's young.
it is young.
I think it said, can you hear me?
I can hear you if you talk through Teresa.
Really?
You can.
Wow. I'm standing
Where are you standing?
here. See my legs?
No. Where are you standing?
Here.
Where's here? I'd love to see you if you'd let me see you. I don't know where to look though.
Well, why?
Because I've never seen someone quite like you.
Look, for heaven's sakes.
Where am I supposed to look for you?
Come on,
Are you by the fireplace?
let's go.
Where are we going?
Nowhere.
We're not going anywhere? You just want me to look?
Do you have a phone?
I do have a phone. Why?
We need to roll some heads. Used to a lot. Do you know Kevin?
No. What's his last name?
Harrison? I think they said Harrison, I'm not sure. Sound like Harrison. Nice guy.
Yeah, no, I don't know Kevin Harrison. How do you know him?
He picked me up.
From where?
War.
Yeah. The Civil War? Or what war?
Tail end. He was lost. We were hit in the chest.
Is that how you passed away?
Yes, ma'am. That's why you can't call me.
Oh,
What about Nick?
what happened to Nick? Was he part of the military too?
He was the driver. Real funny guy. He was scared.
I bet. It was probably really scary to be in a war.
Yeah.
What year was this war? Do you remember?
1870.
What rank were you?
General.
Who's the lady of the house? Who runs the show around here? Horridge. She-
Lizzie?
Elizabeth's in charge?
I think so. I like this house.
I like this house too. That's probably why you stay here though, huh? What's your favorite room in the house?
You moving in?
Not moving in. We just came to say hello and talk to you.
Is he that was a big long sentence. Is he moving to this house or something? Something about he in this house.
No, Alex is just visiting too. We're all just visiting you because we want to come and talk to you and get to know who you are. Who's in the room with us?
Lizzie,
You hear that sound? What's coming?
do you want to hear funny stuff?
Sure, let's hear some funny stuff.
Put a dress on the dog. I think he said joke.
Ha joke, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty funny, dude. That's a good one, sir.
She almost killed me. That was really loud.
She almost killed you because you put a dress on the dog.
That must have been pretty funny.
You got it. Dumb mutt. I put 7 pigs in her car.
Are you telling more jokes?
Joke.
You've been telling some good jokes
It was
lately.
funny. Yeah, it was funny.
Did your wife ever cook you something good?
Yes,
What'd she cook you? Like, what was your favorite thing?
spaghetti. I think he said spaghetti. Bread,
Yep, garlic bread. That's good. Or even just bread and butter. Oh, I like bread.
chicken,
Chicken's good. Yeah.
all that.
Yeah, that's some good stuff right there.
Bacon,
Oh, bacon. Now that's right
it's
up.
good.
Oh, it is.
Chicken,
Yeah, I know we talked about chicken already. Did you?
the legs.
Yeah, the chicken legs are pretty good. That must be your favorite part. I like the breast though. I like white meat.
I'm not positive, and this hopefully makes more sense to you, but he said I like breasts.
Did you have pork chop?
Bacon, ham,
Oh yeah, bacon and ham. That's good.
potatoes,
Yes, gotta have a potato. That's for sure.
corn,
Yep, I like the corn. Corn on the cob is good. Big goosebumps again.
gravy,
Oh yeah, gravy on the potatoes. What color is your hair?
brown.
All right, well, I've enjoyed talking with you, so, like as I said last time.
You done?
Okay, I guess not.
Well, sit. I'm George. Are you Jill?
I am Jill.
Tell her thanks.
Oh, you're
Well-
welcome.
We'll tell Teresa thanks for you.
She hears me.
She does. She's very special.
I'll give you another good joke. This could be good. Disregard that.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. Well, again, George, we've really
For
appreciated.
now.
Okay.
We'll be here the rest of the night.
Yeah, we appreciated talking to you.
That's great.
And I really enjoyed our time together.
Thank you for talking with us
Yeah, you're a great guy.
and making us laugh.
Yes, we had a great time.
Likewise.
Thank you. Should we?
I'm done.
All right.
Okay.
Goodbye, George.
All right, we'll get Teresa done.
Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Holy cow.
About Okay.
It's hitting that K2, yeah.
And cause
Oh, it's going off. Was
Yeah.
it doing that the whole
A
time?
little bit. So, yeah, George, he's a funny dude.
Oh, it just went off like
Yeah,
that.
oh, it's going crazy. Look at that. George, you
You're
are
a
a funny
funny
dude. You're a funny man.
Thanks for the story, and you're welcome, by the way. I'm glad I could hear you.
Oh, this was a good Estes. It was. At first I was like, yeah, this isn't really being really good, and all of a sudden it turned.
He kind of
It-
bopped in though because it
turned
wasn't
when
him at
George came on,
first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then once he started talking, it was the same voice every time, the whole time.
By the way, I've been seeing things moving around out in this freaking room half
Really?
the time. Yeah. I'll look and I'll see movement out here.
Well, a bunch of people did say it starts heating up closer to middle of the night.
Well, I think it's like 1:30 now or something. No, that was a good Estes right there.
And we literally got the name George,
Yeah.
the name Carrie,
Yep.
and the name Lizzie.
Lizzie sounds like something if you're
Oh.
personal, like a personal nickname, doesn't it?
I just saw like literally looked like a crescent moon shape, just white, just like shoot out of that room and then go in there.
Oh, really?
Did you really?
Yeah, that was weird.
That's so weird.
But I think the
I'm getting
fact that
goosebumps all over again. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the fact. No, I'm feeling it now too. I feel a breeze.
Whoa, that was pretty good.